Hello, Achiever Plus learners. Today we're going to be talking about decimals. Understanding decimals. Understanding and using decimals in mathematics and daily life is very important. What is a decimal exactly? A decimal is a way to show numbers that are not whole numbers. The decimal point separates whole numbers from parts of a whole. 3.4 means 3 wholes and 4 tenths. How do we find place value in decimals? For example, for the number 45.327, 4 is tens, 5 is units, the point is the decimal point, 3 represents tenths, 2 is hundredths, 7 is thousandths. Reading decimals. Read the whole number first, then the decimal part as a fraction. 2.6 or 2 whole units and 0.6 means 6 tenths, 6 parts out of 10. So 2.6 is 2 whole units and 6 parts out of 10. Comparing decimals. Compare from left to right, starting after the decimal point. 0.75 is bigger than 0.7 or 0.70 because 75 hundredths is bigger than 70 hundredths. So, rand 0.75, that's 75 cents. Let's think about it in rands and cents. It's like comparing 75 cents to 70 cents. 75 cents or 75 hundredths is more than 70 cents, 70 hundredths, which is less. Adding decimals. In order to add decimals, line up the decimal points and then add normally. 1.25 plus 2.50 is equal to 5 plus 0, which is 5, 2 plus 5, which is 7, and 1 plus 2, which is 3. The answer is 3.75. Subtracting decimals. Line up the decimal points and then subtract normally. For example, 5.40 minus 2.35 is equal to, borrow a 1 to make the 0 a 10, then say 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. Return the 1 to the 3 below, which becomes 4. And then we have 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we have 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. The answer is 3.05. Multiplying decimals. Multiply like whole numbers. Count total decimal places in both numbers and place the decimal in the answer. 1.2 times 0.5 is equal to 0.60. This is because 2 times 5 is 10, hold the 1. 1 times 5 is 5, plus add the 1 you held, and then you have 6. So the answer is 60. And in this, there are 2 decimal places. The 1.2 has the 0.2, which is 1 decimal place, and the 0.5 has the 0.5, which is the second decimal place. So the decimal point will skip the 0, skip the 6, and sit in front of the 6, 2 decimal places, 0.60. Dividing decimals. For the question, 7.2 divided by 0.3. Move the decimal in the divisor, 0.3, 1 place to the right, which becomes 3. Move the decimal in the dividend, 7.2, 1 place to the right, and it becomes 72. Divide as normal. 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. As long as you move the decimal point the same amount in the divisor or the denominator, as well as the dividend or the numerator, in this case that's one place to the right, then you can go ahead and divide as normal. So the answer for 7.2 divided by 0.3 is 24. Decimals in money are 5.75 means 5 rands and 75 cents. Here are more examples like that. Are 3.50 means 3 rands and 50 cents. Are 8.20 means 8 rands and 20 cents. Are 12.05 means 12 rands and 5 cents. Here's a tip. Money is a real-life example of decimals. Converting fractions to decimals. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 1/2 means 1 part out of 2 equal parts. Writing it as a division is 1 divided by 2. Dividing 1 by 2 gives 0.5, the decimal form of a half. You can also think of 0.5 as 5/10 or 50 hundredths, like 50 cents out of 1 rand. Let's summarize the important points. Decimals show parts of a whole. Remember place value, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Align decimal points when adding or subtracting. Practice daily with money examples. Achiever Plus learners, now you are a decimals master. Don't forget to memorize all the rules.